Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset color settings in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your computer is fully powered on and wait for Windows 11 to completely load up. It's important to let everything finish loading so you don't encounter any delays or issues while accessing the settings. Once your PC is ready, you'll want to navigate to your Windows Start menu, which is located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. When the Start menu opens, type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Microsoft Settings window, which is your control center for managing all aspects of your Windows 11 system. From here, you'll see various categories displayed on the screen. Look for and click on the System Settings option. This section controls fundamental display and hardware configurations. Once you're inside the System Settings, direct your attention to the left side menu and click on the Display tab. This is where you can manage everything related to your screen and visual output. Under the Display tab, scroll down through the options until you find Advanced Display Settings. Click on it to access more detailed display configurations. From here, you'll see specifications about your display hardware, including information about your monitor and graphics setup. Look for the option labeled Display Adapter Properties and click on it. This will open a small window specifically for your display adapter settings. Within this new window, navigate to the Color Management tab at the top and click on it. You'll see a button labeled Color Management in the middle of the window. Go ahead and click on this button and a dedicated Color Management window will appear. This is the central hub for controlling how colors are displayed on your screen. Now, in the Color Management window, click on the Advanced tab at the top. This section gives you deeper control over calibration and color profiles. Within the Advanced tab, you'll see a button that says Calibrate Display. Click on it to launch the Display Calibration Wizard. This built-in Windows tool is specifically designed to help you reset and fine-tune your color settings to ensure everything looks just right on your monitor. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions that will guide you through the calibration process step by step. The wizard will walk you through adjusting gamma, brightness, contrast, and color balance, allowing you to reset your color settings back to optimal levels or customize them to your preference. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the color calibration tool in Windows 11 and can now reset your display settings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.